Hello, my name is Teacher Paul. This is your teacher for today's lesson in mathematics. I'm happy to see you all one day. So, how are you today? May you're fine. Hey, we're so excited to welcome you in this our first time program. We call this online learning program of our school. So, before we start, right now, I just want you to remind you to protect yourself from coronavirus. So, we have some instructions. So, we have some advice how to protect ourselves from COVID-19. First, wash your hands. Huh? Wash your hands regularly or always. Second, always wear mask. So mask is important as protecting ourselves from this virus. The third one is social distancing. So we have to make some distance from other people to be protected from the spread of this. So for today, we will go to our topic. Our topic for today is about numbers up to 20. So we will look at this topic, these lessons one by one. So I'm excited to teach you in this lesson about numbers 1 to 20 actually 1 to 10 and then 11 to 20. So let's begin. But before we start, let's check our things before we start our lesson. So these are the things to prepare before we start our learning. The first one is check if you have your book, your math textbook for grade 1. All right? And then of course, check if you have the pencil and eraser. And then another one is your notebook. Check if you have your notebook. So for you to write down all the important things we're gonna learn today. Are you ready? Are you excited for today's lesson and learning? So let's begin. We will start in dictation. So dictation is very important part of our lesson every day, every subject. So usually we have three words for dictation. So the first word for this dictation is numbers. Can you say with me? Numbers. 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 So that's the first one. You may write that word in your notebook. So for you to remember that word, numbers. Number two is plus. Plus, plus. So that is number two. And write it down in your notebook, plus. And number three is answer. Answer, Answer, answer. So these are the three words for dictation for today's lesson. Again, number one, numbers. Number two, plus. And number three is answer. Uh, we will begin in our lesson. Lesson number one, part of this topic. We will look at the first part of this lesson. Read and spell the words to learn. So, in the first unit, Unit 1 of our lesson, of our book, we have that Unit 1 words to learn. So, we will look at these words to learn and spell those words one by one of these words. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. The first word is number. Can you say with me? Number. 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 Good. The next one is plus. P-L-U-S, plus. Answer. A-N-S-W-E-R, answer. Number 4 is more. M-O-R-E, more. Add. A-D-D, add. Equals. E-Q-U-A-L-S, equals. Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. And the last one is how many. H-O-W-M-A-N-Y, how many. So these are the words to learn in this lesson, in Unit 1 in our book. So the first one again is number, plus, answer, more, add, equals, together, how many. So you may try that, read again and again, and spell that words time to time to practice with. Okay, so that's our first thing to look at in these studies. So again, remember those words for our words. All right, let's go to the next one. Part 2 of this lesson, this topic. We have this, we call this numbers from 1 to 10. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the numbers in this studies 1 to 10. Okay, let's look at again how to spell all these numbers. Let's start the first one. 1. O-N-E, 1. T-W-O, 2. T-H-R-E-E, 3. F-O-U-R, 4. F-I-V-E, 5. S-I-X, 6. S-E-V-E-N, 7. E-I-G-H-T, 8. N-I-N-E, 9. And the last one, T-E-N. So these 10 are the 10 numbers that we want to be reminded or to be familiar to all of our students or learners. Okay, so let's look at the third part of this lesson studies. We call this numbers that add up to 10. So look at the first example that we have here. So we will add two numbers and all the answers are the same as number 10. So 1 and 9 equals 10. So meaning 1 plus 9 equivalent or equals to 10. 8 plus 2 equals to 10. 3 and 7 is equals to 10. 6 and 4 is equals to 10. 5 and 5 is equals to 10. So these are the numbers when you add up or when you put them together. When you add up together or add them up, they will become, or the answer will be 10. Alright, so that's the third part of this topic or lesson, that we have the numbers that when we add up the two numbers equal. Okay, let's go on to the last part of this lesson before we go to our exercises. The last part of this lesson is numbers from 11 to 20. So, are you ready for these numbers? Okay, follow me. Okay, let's look at the first one. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So these are the numbers from 11 to 20. Now, let's look at how to spell all these numbers. Are you ready? You can follow me. Let's spell 11. Alright. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Next. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Wow, so these are the numbers from 11 to 20 and also the words of each number and how to spell those numbers. Okay, so we will now go to exercises if you're ready. Okay, we have exercises. So exercise number 1, this is count and spell numbers 1 to 10. Alright, I guess you know this already. Let's look at it again. Alright, you count. What is this? Say it. Okay, 1. And this one. The next one. Okay, how about this one? And this one. And this one. And this one. Okay, good. Good job. Alright, why don't you try to spell all these numbers? Let's start from the beginning. Can you spell 1? Okay, you spell it. Alright, how about 2? Can you spell 2? How about 3? And 4? Okay, how about 5? 6? Alright, spell 7. Spell 8. How about 9? How about the last one? 10. Alright, that's all. These numbers 1 to 10 and their spelling. Good job! So that's the exercises that we have. Exercises number 1. So don't forget all these numbers and how to write and spell all these numbers correctly. Exercises number this is also part of that exercise, the first one, before we go on to number 2. Okay, look at the pictures in your screen. Alright, how many apples do we have here? Bananas, mangoes, oranges, pencils, monkeys, trees, cats, dogs, and flowers. Can you guess that? Can you count that? How many? Alright, okay, let's look. The first one, let's see how many apples we have here. Okay, you're right. Alright, can you guess how many mangoes do we have here? Or monkeys do we have here? Oh, cats. We have 6 cats here. Next, Alright, we have 4 monkeys. What else? How many bananas we have here? Okay, we got 2. Alright, next, how many dogs, oranges we have here? Oh, we have 8. Alright, 3 mangoes. How about dogs and like that? 5. How about pencils? How many we got here? Alright. And how about trees? How about flowers? How many? Okay. So we got all these objects counted from 1 to 10. Wow, so good job. Let's go to our exercises or exercise number 2. So this is all about fill in the missing numbers from 1 to 10. So are you ready for that? You will try to think what are those missing numbers that is not in the screen right now. So let's check all these numbers. We got 4 numbers here. We have 2, 6, 9, and 5. So guess what? What is the missing number here? Numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, good. We got 1. 1 is missing in these numbers. Another 1. What else? Okay, that's right. 7 is missing. Then what else? Right, 10 is missing. Another 1. 4 is also missing. 2 more missing numbers. Right, number 8 is missing. And the last number that is missing. What number is that? Okay, good job. That's number 3. So, now it's all complete. Numbers from 1 to 10. We got it in our exercise number 2. So, let's go on to exercise number 3. Are you ready for that? Alright, let's look at this exercise number 3. We will identify the missing numbers that when you add up the 2 numbers, the answer is 10. Okay, are you ready? Alright, let me know your answer right now. Okay, number 1. Here we go. What number is that missing number? What is the missing number when you add to 1 is 10? You got it? Okay, right? The answer is 9. Okay, let's go to the next one. What's your answer? When you add that number to 2 equals 10. Okay, let's check your answer. Alright. Now, number 3 is, what number is that? When you add to 3, 3 and that number is equals 10. Okay, ready? Check your answer. Here we go. That's 7. So, what number when you add to 4 is 10? Alright, ready for your answer to check? Okay, that's right. And the last one. What's your answer? Alright, check your answer. Here we go. Alright, we got it. So these are the missing numbers. When you add up to another number, all the answers are 10. So good job if you got all the answers. The last part of the exercises is all about the numbers that is 11 to 20. So, are you familiar with these numbers and all the spelling? So let's start counting. You count this number and then you try to spell also this number. Are you ready? Okay, let's count. Ready? Okay, you count, go. Next. Yes, that's 11. Let's spell 11. 11. 11. Alright, so how about this one? Can you spell that number? Alright, let's look at that. TWELVE. Good. The third one. 13. So did you try? Or can you try to spell that? Okay, let's see. THIRTEEN. The next one. 14. So how do you spell that? 14. Here we go. FOURTEEN. 15. FIFTEEN. 16. SIXTEEN. How about 17? Good. SEVENTEEN. How about 18? Good try. EIGHTEEN. 19. Can you try to spell that? NI. Good. Let's look at it. NINETEEN. How about the last number? 20. I guess you know that. Okay. Alright. Here we go. TWENTY. So these are the numbers from 11 to 20 and how we write those numbers and spell those numbers. So get familiar with all these numbers. So next is look at those pictures in your screen. Do you know what picture is that? What object is that? Oh yeah, that's butterfly. Can you count that? How many? Count that butterfly. How many butterflies? Okay. Are you sure your answer? Alright, let's click on that. 12 is the answer. That's right. How about these toy cars? Ready to count? Go. Okay, you got the answer. How about these birds? Beautiful birds. Come on, read it or count it. Oh, you got the answer. Let's check your answer. It's 14. How about these leaves? Oh, count all those leaves. And let's check your answer. Oh, it's 17. How about these sticks? Count those sticks. You got it? Okay. Let's check your answer. It's 19. Wow, good job. Good and job. Then let's look at this object. How many bags do we have here? Beautiful bags. Look at that. Alright, you got your answer. Let's check your answer. It's 16. How about these stars? Look at those stars. Let's check your answer. Okay, that's 18. How about these books? Colorful books. Very nice. So you count it. Alright, let's check your answer. It's 11. How about those sticks up there? Alright. Count it. Oh, let's check your answer. Okay, it's 15. Alright, how about those leaves? Let's check those leaves. So many leaves. Let's check your answer. 1, 2, 3, and the answer is they're all 20. Wow. So these are all the numbers from 11 to 20. So those are the things that we've got in this lesson. Now, the summary of this lesson. is we've learned about these numbers 1 to 20, counting these numbers, spell this number, and writing those numbers. And not only that, we also learn about numbers that add up to 10. So, thank you for joining me. I hope you learned the lesson, and we may continue our lesson next time. Alright, bye bye.